This is how I use Coca-Cola drink that you guys know to get this perfect cleaning and washing soap that you are seeing here right now. This is bar soap, guys. You can see very strong. Are you seeing it? So you can see, if you want to know how I got to this step, to this extent, watch this video to the end. Let's get started. So right now, this is what I are going to use. I'm using, the reason why you can use one soap, the reason why I'm using two is I want it to be very big enough so that I will use it for longer time. So we are using two soap, one detergent. I'm using Viva, then with our Coca-Cola, guys. So that is what we need to do now. I don't know that I'm going to show you guys the whole process because I don't want this video to be too long. I need to set my camera very well so that you guys will be seeing what I'm doing. So let's open it. I hope you guys are seeing this thing. You can see the soap. It's very big. Open the second one. Then is either you use a knife. If you don't have this, you can use knife to just pieces it. Make sure you pieces it into a very tiny. You can see what you are getting. You do it like this until you pieces the whole soap. So guys, you can see I'm done cutting it into pieces. You use your knife or something else and make sure you pieces it. You can see what we have here. So after that, you transfer it into your pot. Yeah. Thank God we are making soup. Oh. Nigeria will not kill person. So after you transfer it into your pot, I need to set this tripod very well so that you guys will be seeing it. Yeah. So after you transfer the soap into your pot, we now go in with our Coca-Cola. You can see it. Yeah. It's very chilled. I need to sip small. So you go in with your Coca-Cola. You can see it. Yes. After adding your Coca-Cola, you go in with a little water. So because the reason why we add a little water, if you do not want your soap to be so soft, go in with a little water. Then you on your gas. Yes. You on your gas. You can see it. I need to add another little water, guys. It's okay. So guys, you make sure to stir it. No need of covering it up. And after stirring it for some minutes, you allow it to bubble up. So you need to if you stir it finish, you leave it, wait for some minutes. Can you see the process? I have waited for some minutes. You can see. Are you seeing what we got here? Yes. Guys, you're going to love this thing. I'm loving it already. All the soap has already dissolved or melted. English about now. Are you seeing it? So you need the chromaka now. I am with the high natural funding neighbor. We are getting there small. So immediately you notice that your soap has dissolved. All the things have already melted. As you can see here, we are not capping. This is the real magic. So if you notice that your own have already melted, finished, the next step we need to take is our Viva now comes in. This is this big spoon. Let me be showing you guys so that you will not do mistake. You will use this spoon to measure 2. I've already measured my own and pour it here. You measure 2 spoon of this cream, that is this Viva detergent. Pour it inside. I need to open this thing well. So you pour it inside. The reason we are putting this is for more foaming when you are using it to wash your clothes. So I need to add more because this thing is too small. To add more Viva detergent. So after adding it, you have to mix everything together. You can see what we have here is foaming so well. For those that will be asking if this thing is going to foam, and give it a try. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to tell me thank you in the comment section. And tell me if you try your own. Show me, let me see your own, how it goes. So you can see, you mix it together. Then you allow it to boil for like 2 minutes again. Then you know the next step to take. So you can see it. So we'll wait for like 2 minutes before we. So guys, we are done now boiling it. I'm going to use all this rubber to pour in the soap. So let's go. I need to set this my tripod so that you guys will be seeing it. This thing should not fall because I'm making content. So now let's go pour it. Hope you guys are seeing this thing that I'm doing. Then you pour in the soap. You can see my own is even thick enough, very thick. Do not allow it to get cold before you pour it on your container that you want to pour in the soap. Make sure to pour the soap that time immediately you bring it down from the fire. You pour this one. We have menu. I still need to bring another container. So let me go in again with this one. You can see it.
Oh,
yes, it's soap. It's soap. So I need to go in. I don't want to bring another container. Let me go use the 4. So it is finished, guys. So what we are going to do now is to find find a little spoon. You can see it, to remove all this foam here, so that if your soap is getting strong, it will not have this foam on it. You can see it. You remove all the foam here. Can see what we have here, guys. We got four container of it using and so even tell you I did not even finish the 2 Viva soap. I used 1.5. That is, I coated 1.5 soap, Viva soap, for this recipe, and you can see we got a lot of it. So this white thing you are seeing here is my detergent. The thing did not break. The detergent is so thick. I don't know whether water touched the detergent, the place that people are selling it, keep it. So you can see it. We are done. What we need to do now is to leave it. Do not cover it. You just leave it like this for 4 hours. If you do not have the patience, you can put it inside your fridge. Before even 4 hours, the thing will get very hard and thicken. You can see it. Let's wait for the process. Guys, I'm so happy. We are done. You can see our soap. Hey, Chimoma. Are you seeing? Very strong. That is the reason why I told you guys, do not put too much water if you want to get exactly what you ordered versus what you got. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing? See, so let's bring it out. Hey, I hope you guys are seeing this thing now, because the place I'm staying to make this video is not that big enough. Are you seeing? Oh, are you seeing? That is what I'm talking about. You see, it's only 1.5 soap we use to get this amount. Very plumpy, like moi moi. Oh God, see what we use to get these pieces. Are you seeing that? So later we will remove this one so that let me see space that I'm going to use to cut these things. Yes. Let me go remove it, I beg. The thing did not even reach 4 hours. Did not even reach 4 hours. It's already strong. Very strong and healthy. Hello guys, we are done with the soap. You can see the outcome is so strong. It's so strong, guys. That is the reason why I told you guys, if you are doing your own, do not put too much water, so that you will get exactly what you ordered versus what you got. You can see it very big with just 1 Viva Joy soap and a half that I used to get so many soap. I'm going to cut it, slice it into some pieces that I can be able to hold it and wash my plate or my clothes. So you can see, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video and like it for more.